Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new generative AI feature in the Anstrex native platform. This powerful tool can take your native ad campaigns to the next level by helping you create stunning, eye-catching creatives with minimal effort using artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. First, I need to find a creative that matches my campaign goals and has been performing well. To do this, I'll use the filters available in the platform to narrow down my options. Once I've found the right creative, I'll click on the AI icon to start the creative generation process. When I click the AI icon, a modal window pops up. Let me walk you through what's here. At the top, I can see my current credit balance. Each creative generation uses 1 credit, and as part of my subscription, I get 15 free credits every month. If I need more, I can purchase additional credits by clicking the link provided. Now let's take a look at the available parameters for AI generation. Below that, there's a checkbox to use the current creative image as a reference. If I check this box, the AI will generate results that look similar to the original image. If I leave it unchecked, I'll get more variety in the results. For this demo, I'm going to leave it unchecked so we can see a wider range of options. Next, I'll choose a prompt style. There are 3 options. Normal, this is the default and works best in most cases. Artistic, this adds an artistic flair to the generated creatives, which is great for close-up portraits. Photorealistic, this creates a realistic image, perfect for turning cartoonish visuals into lifelike ones. For now, I'll stick with the normal style. Now, I'll configure the settings for this generation. First, there are 2 sliders. The number of variants slider lets me choose how many creative versions I want. I can generate up to 10 variants, and for this demo, I'll go with the maximum. The text character limit slider allows me to set a limit for the text length, which is useful since different ad networks have specific requirements. Below that, there's a drop-down menu where I can select the aspect ratio for the generated images. Finally, I'll give this generation a name so I can easily identify it later. Once everything is set, I'll click the Generate button. The job is now submitted, and I can track its progress by clicking the link provided or by going to AI Jobs in the drop-down menu at the top right corner. Now that the job is complete, let's take a look at the results. On the left sidebar, I can see all my pending and completed jobs. When I select a job, the results appear in the right pane. At the top of the right pane, I can see the job status. Green means all the variants were successfully generated. Yellow means only some of the variants were generated. Red means none of the variants were generated. In this case, all the variants were successfully generated, and they look great. It's worth noting that credits are only deducted for successfully generated creatives, so I'm not charged for any failed attempts. Now that I have my results, I have a few options. Download. I can select the creatives I like by checking the boxes and clicking the download icon at the bottom right corner. Refine. I can edit the text prompt to make adjustments. For example, let me change the color of the shirt in this image. I'll update the prompt to specify a bright yellow shirt instead of white. As you can see, the AI updates the image, and the shirt color changes to yellow. Edit. I can use the inline image editor by clicking the Edit Image button. This opens a pop-up editor where I can crop the image, apply filters, adjust the tonality, add overlays, and more. Once I'm done, I can save or export the edited image directly within Anstrex. Now, let's explore the prompt styles to provide you with an understanding of how this feature works. Let me show you how the artistic prompt style works. I'll select a close-up portrait image for this demo. As you can see, the AI adds an artistic tone to the generated creatives, giving them a unique and creative look. Now let's try the photo realistic prompt style. I'll use a cartoonish image for this example. The AI transforms the cartoonish image into a realistic one, while keeping the original attire and pose intact. The results are impressive. And that's it. The generative AI feature in Anstrex Native makes it incredibly easy to create and test multiple creatives for your native ad campaigns with minimal effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll use this feature to supercharge your next campaign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.